Hey there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We've got the EFEKOL Precision Screwdriver Set. Set me back $8.99, coupon code, Amazon. I purchased this so I could have a complete set of all the different types of heads that these different screws and bolts and everything you'll find in electronics. Now, the product is getting its first run here on an ancient laptop I'm bringing back to life with Linux Mint. And what I need to do is bop some RAM in there. I found some RAM that I can jam in this laptop, take it from 4 gigs to 8 gigs. With that old i3 processor, it should run Linux Mint really well, and it actually does. But let's focus here on this EFEKOL Precision Screwdriver Set. The case is a little wonky. I wish it flipped open and stayed attached. There's also this little magnetic ring in here, and I don't understand what the purpose is for it, because there is a magnetic mat that you can use to make sure all your screws are kept together. But this little magnetic ring, I don't understand what the purpose is. Could you leave a comment if you know why it's there? But it gets in the way of closing the case. That's annoying. Not sure what the purpose is of that. We're gonna move on. Lots of different heads, different tips, however you call these things, whatever you call these things. I need basically just a simple tiny Phillips here, and that's exactly what we got. Really nice smooth action there where you can just twirly bird it and get those screws out quickly. I'm trying to find out where the RAM is. That's not where the RAM is. That's the hard drive. Come on, Ryan. I must have opened this laptop so many times over the years. Had it for a decade or longer. My hand's starting to hurt. I worked outside and now my hand is cramping because I am old. Here, we're going to pop this off. Really smooth. The tool works exactly as you would expect it. We found the spot to jam the RAM. That's exactly what we will do. I got lucky, a couple of mismatch 4 gig sticks, and they both worked. And it did bring this laptop back to life. It's usable for internet browsing, editing the descriptions and titles of the YouTube videos I make, stuff like that. Pretty good. And the EFEKOL little precision screwdriver set, I've used it many times now since I've made this video. I'm just finally getting around to doing this commentary, this voiceover here, and it works really well. My only complaint about it, I love the variety of the different heads, the different tips. What I don't like is I don't like that magnetic little round thing. I don't know what it's for, and I don't like the case top. I wish it just flipped open. If you know what that magnet thing is, please tell me before I throw it away.